I'm an HVAC service technician with 17 years of field experience and a former nuclear power electrician. Over the years, I've installed, serviced, and diagnosed many residential gas pack units across every major brand. Today, we're comparing two entry-level packaged gas furnace models, the American Standard Silver 13.4 and the ACiQ PGB4 series. Once you look past the specification sheets, there are a few practical differences in how you buy them, who installs them, and what they'll cost you over their lifetime. Most homeowners think the biggest decision comes down to picking the unit with the absolute highest efficiency numbers. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is total long-term ownership, what you pay up front, how easy it is to service when something fails, and whether the installation is done right. American Standard requires you to buy and install their Silver 13.4 through an authorized dealer to secure full manufacturer support. ACiQ sells the PGB4 series without requiring a dedicated dealer network. That fundamental difference drastically changes your upfront buying process, installation options, and total project cost. Looking at the core specifications, both units deliver identical efficiency ratings. 13.4 SEER for cooling and 81% ACiQ for heating. An 81% ACiQ means for every dollar you spend on natural gas or propane, 81 cents turns into actual heat inside your home while 19 cents exits through the flue pipe. The 13.4 SEER rating tells you how efficiently the electric compressor turns power into cooling during hot weather. Because both models sit at standard baseline efficiency, neither unit holds a real edge in monthly utility costs. They both use simple single-stage compressors and single-stage gas valves. That means when the thermostat calls for heat or cooling, the unit runs at full capacity until the home reaches temperature, then shuts off. While multi-stage equipment offers slightly quieter operation and tighter humidity control, these baseline single-stage systems use simpler components that are far less expensive to replace when the unit eventually ages out of warranty. Where they differ on the exterior is in coil protection. American Standard equips the Silver 13.4 with full louvered metal panels, whereas the ACiQ PGB4 uses a wire coil guard. A louvered steel casing on the American Standard provides maximum shield defense against hail, stray yard debris, flying rocks from lawnmowers, and curious pets. The ACiQ's wire guard keeps broad impacts away and allows maximum airflow, but it leaves the delicate aluminum fins slightly more exposed to fine hail or direct debris hits. As a technician who has combed out bent coil fins on unshielded or wire-guarded units, those full louvered panels on the American Standard are a simple exterior detail that offer superior physical protection for long-term cooling performance. Here is what the sales brochure won't tell you. The brand name stamped on the green or gray sheet metal matters far less than the quality of the installation. A top-tier unit installed poorly on leaking ductwork will perform worse and break down faster than a basic unit installed by a careful technician. Live market listings show the equipment-only price for the ACiQ PGB4, generally running between $2,800 and $3,500 based on current distributor listings. American Standard Silver 13.4 units are typically sold as part of a complete contractor quote, with total installed package prices usually landing between $6,500 and $9,500 depending on your local dealer. Both carry matching 10-year compressor 10-year parts and 20-year heat exchanger warranties. The ACiQ PGB4 is ideal for homeowners looking to keep upfront equipment costs down or working with an independent installer who allows customer-supplied equipment, the American Standard. Silver 13.4 makes more sense if you prefer the extra protection of louvered panels and dealer-backed installation and support. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the ACiQ PGB4 if I had a trusted independent installer in a low-impact area, saving significant upfront capital while getting identical 13.4 SEER and 81% ACiQ mechanical performance. But if your outdoor area sees heavy hail or lawn traffic, or if you rely heavily on local dealer contractor support, American Standard's louvered protection and dealer backing make it a solid, reliable standard option.